face, or memories for that matter. Not like worrying about it'll change anything. I should get some rest. I wonder how many people have slept in this bed before me. Mine for now. I'd better head to work. So I've got business with the freight train today, huh? Great. Great. Time to start another day toiling away for the Renans. Am I gonna do this until the day I die?
Look lively, slaves! Let's see some work around here!
They're interrogating her? Just what the hell is going on? I need to go and find out for myself.
Damn it! So it wasn't a lie! The slightest touch.
Enemy attack!
An ambush? Renans are here? I have to find an exit and get the hell out of here.
Anyone who can fight, grab a weapon! Damn! How did they find out about this place?
Have these kinds of battles been going on this entire time? I just didn't know.
Stop right there! Oh, it's just a Danon. You there! Where's the Renan girl? Talk or die!
So much for playing nice. All right, we're up. Real fight. Still, I have to do this. I won't go quietly.
Rising up!
I won. I actually beat one of those Renan soldiers. I've got to keep going. I have to survive this no matter what. Right, here goes!
You've got spirit!
Mirage! Slide!
You're mine!
Swallow blade!
Mirage!
Swallow blade!
Mirage! Go to hell!
Swallow blade! Slide! Swallow blade!
Rising one!
We won, but...
Word to the wise, I call my own shot. Just stay out of my way and we'll get along quite well.
It's kind of new for me, if you hadn't noticed. Don't expect any promises.
Rising Wyvern! Mirage!
Stay sharp. We're going in.
Glad to see you made it. I heard you managed to escape.
The blade.
Be careful. If you get close to a Zoogle, they'll attack.
Rising Wyvern! Mirage!
Don't go charging off like
I'm only
that!
getting started.
Don't let them form a pack! Cannon! One final push!
Right!
Give them all we got!
Try harder! Take this!
I'm on it! Slice! Great! On to the next!
Roger that.
Show me what you can do, kiddo!
These little ones.
Less talking, more pummeling.
I'm sure I can put this to use. Don't fight any enemies you can otherwise avoid, all right?
Makes sense. If we try to take them all on, there'll be no end in sight.
You sure won't hear me complaining.
What a weird stone.
I sense a strange power from it. We should gather as many as we can find.
Normally, we should take turns They're harvesting.
Right. They have...
But what?
We have another secret hideout in Ulzebek, not far from here. We should be able to meet up with our comrades there. We should be able to eat this. Whenever you find some, make sure to grab it.
It's edible. Huh? Good to know.
Definitely.
What's this thing? That is one enormous stray.
I don't think we can take it right now.
We've almost made it to Ulzebek. Normally I don't pick on the weak.
There! One more!
Rising Wyvern!
Mega Ray!
Don't go charging off like that!
Rising Wyvern!
Guess we gotta roll with it.
Ray!
Touch cannon!
Slash! Slash!
Take it!
Swallow blade!
It's over!
Talon storm!
Slash!
Cannon!
Rising
Here I
Wyvern!
go!
Mirage!
You're mine!
Not half bad.
Could you try to be less patronizing?
I didn't mean nothing by it.
Swallow blade! Rising Wyvern!
I won't rest until I'm the best I can be.
Still striving.